Thank you. Thank you. Asante. Asante. Yes, tuko strong. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, asanteni. Asanteni. Okay, tunaweza keti. Tunaweza keti. Fellow Kenyans, before I start my speech today, I want to make my heartfelt apology for any family that has lost a loved one in the hands of the police. Any family or any individual that has been inflicted harm by the police, either because they were doing wrong or because the police thought that you are doing wrong, I am here as your president to say how sorry I am. And I'm sorry that even the law has not been able to protect you because you could not prove it. That is a thing of the past. Let's begin. My fellow Kenyans, a nation cannot prosper when its people fear those sworn to protect them. Too many families have cried for loved ones who disappeared after being arrested. Too many Kenyans have raised concerns about unlawful arrests, extortion, corruption, and extrajudicial killings. At the same time, many honest police officers have also suffered because of the actions of a few who have destroyed the reputation of the entire service. As your president, I will restore trust beginning with the police and the people, and not through empty promises, but we are going to do this through technology. And we have sat down with the police bosses, and they are here in attendance. You can see them, they are standing. We are here with the internal security minister and every arm of the government that is there to ensure the security of the people, that we are going to get this. This endeavor through going through technology is not the first of its kind, but in the first nations or in the first world, in the West, they are already deploying this and it's working to perfection. And therefore, every police officer on operational duty will be wearing a government-issued body camera. These cameras will record both video and audio throughout every official interaction they have had with the public. No police officer will be deployed without a functioning body camera. So, no camera, no deployment. Every shift will begin with an inspection to ensure that every camera is working properly. Technology will become the silent witness that protects both the citizen and honest officers. Under my administration, accountability will not be optional. Any police officer who deliberately disables a body camera, tampers with recordings, destroys evidence, or unlawfully interferes with the citizen's lawful recording of a police interaction will commit a serious criminal offense, and there will be no pardoning of the same. Time in the past, when police officers have erred, they have been transferred. That is no more. When you make such kind of an error, you lose your job, and you may also face jail term depending on the offense. So no one will be above the law, not even those entrusted to enforce it. Every police vehicle in Kenya will also be equipped with modern dashcams. We are aware that some of the policemen have been asking for bribes inside those lorries and those vehicles that are taking citizens to the station. So these cameras will automatically capture vehicles and motorcycles. So every traffic stop, every arrest, every transport of a suspect, every official conversation inside a police vehicle while the officer is on duty will be recorded. False accusations against the police will also be exposed, and misconduct by the police will also be exposed. Justice should depend on evidence and not on competing stories or one word against the other. On top of all this, we will install smart cameras in every major highways, roundabout, and strategic entry and exit points across the country. Any Kenyan that will be caught tampering with this government property will face very harsh penalties on their end. These cameras will automatically capture vehicles and motorcycle registration numbers. Stolen vehicles will be traced faster. Criminal suspects will be identified more quickly. Hit and run investigations will become more effective, and crime should not be solved by guesswork. It should be solved by technology. We will modernize every police station in Kenya because we know that some of our policemen have been using, especially remand and the OB area, to their advantage to extort more money from family members when they come to see their kin. High definition CCTV cameras will monitor every entrance and exit to every police station. The occurrence book reception and administration area will also be under continuous surveillance. Every person entering or leaving a police station will have their movements documented. The handwritten occurrence book that has been misused in the past is now going to be replaced with a secure electronic occurrence book. Every report will be automatically time-stamped. Every amendment will leave a permanent digital record. No one will secretly alter the police records after the fact. Justice begins with accurate records. Again, when you write on the OB, then that detail will be sent to you through text or what we call SMS, so that no more writing in a piece of paper. Transparency protects everyone. Every Kenyan will have the right to lawfully record interactions with the police officers while not interfering with the lawful police duties. No officer is allowed to intimidate a citizen simply because they are recording. An honest police officer has nothing to fear from a camera. And an honest citizen should never fear recording an encounter with a police officer. Accountability is not an enemy of policing. It is the foundation of professional policing. And so, my fellow Kenyans, technology is transforming every profession. It is time for it to transform our policing as a country. These reforms are not about attacking our men in uniform. They are about protecting honest police officers, protecting innocent citizens, protecting evidence and justice. When every officer wears a camera and every police vehicle records its operation, when every police station is monitored, and when every police record is secure, then the citizen are allowed to document their interaction with the police, then trust will begin to return to our police force. As your president, I will build a police service that is respected because it is professional, trusted because it is transparent, and feared only by those who break the law. Together, we'll build a safer Kenya where technology protects the innocent, strengthens justice, and gives every Kenyan confidence that the law serves every Kenyan equally. More so, it will help us fight off corruption, which has been the key enemy for our land. And with that, we trust that if all this is followed to book, we will have no more police killing of our citizen, no more mistreatment of our police in the hands of the citizen, and an overall trust between both the police and the community at large. May God bless our police officers. May God bless every Kenyan, and may God bless the Republic of Kenya. And as I always say, mbele iko sawa. Na nikisema kwa Kiswahili tunasema hivi: mimi kama kiongozi wa hii nchi nitaanza na kusema pole kwa wenye wamepoteza wapendwa wao kwa mikono ya polisi. Mwenye yeyote mwenye ashaipigwa ama akafanyiwa mabaya na polisi, ninakuja hapa kusema pole. Na nimekuja kusema hilo ni jambo halitatendeka tena. Tunajua polisi wetu wengine na ni wachache wenye wameamua kuharibu jina la polisi. Wengine wanachukua hongo, wengine wanashika watu kwa njia zenye zisizofaa. Polisi sio yeye judge ati akushike na akupige. Polisi sio yeye investigator ati anakushika alafu anakupeleka kwa sela anaanza kukuchapa ndio umwambie or you give information. And kuondoa hii yote tumeamua kuwaweka kamera hapa. Kwa hivyo polisi yeyote mwenye anatoka huko nje lazima awe na kamera, na hii kamera itakuwa on throughout. Kumaanisha kila mtu yeyote mwenye anaongea naye, mtu yeyote mwenye anashika, yote itachukuliwa kwa kamera. Na hata wakipelekwa pale kwa cell, pia hapo kwa OB tunaweka CCTV kuensure that mtu yote mwenye anakuja hapo tunaona ni nani yako duty na ni nani amekuja na ni nani na ni nini imeendelea. Na hata hiyo OB book tunabadilisha, haitakuwa tena ile kitabu yenye kila mtu anaweza kuja aandike ama saa ingine wakuja wang'oe karatasi. Saa hii we are digitizing everything. So popote penye polisi mwenye ako pale kwa OB akikuja kuandika chochote kitarekodiwa na itasemekana ni nani na aliweka saa ngapi. Mambo ya kale yenye watu walikuwa nakuja wanafuta vitu zenye wameandika ama wanang'oa karatasi kwa sababu mtu amekufa na hawataki kusema kuwa ni wao walimleta, hiyo yote haitatendeka tena. Na tunaambia polisi wote kuanzia sasa, kama huna hiyo kamera usiende kazi. Ukionekana kama huna ama utampe nayo uiharibu, then sheria itachukua mwelekeo. Na si kama kitambo wakati yenye ulikuwa unahamishwa unapelekwa Mandera ama unapelekwa Turkana. Hapana. Saa hii ni either unaachishwa kazi ama kama umefanya makosa unawekwa ndani, kwa sababu wewe ndio unatuharibia nchi yetu na ndio unaharibu usalama wetu. Haja yetu ni wananchi na polisi waishi pamoja kwa amani na wananchi wakae wakijua that hawa polisi ni nyinyi mumewaajiri wakuje wawasaidie kuweka in safety na waondoe vizingiti zote zenye zinaharibu maendeleo ya Wakenya. Kwa hivyo naombea mema na naombea polisi wetu mema na naombea Wakenya wote mema, tukiendelea kufanya Kenya isonge mbele. Mbele iko sawa. Mungu awabariki sana. Asanteni sana. Asante. Hapana, sitachukua maswali. Na I think nime-explain everything vilivyo. Hata nikasema kwa Kiswahili bana. Sio, it's not easy talking this Swahili. Sawa, Mungu awabariki sana. Kwaherini. Asante. 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 Nimeshukuru. Asante.